got asked this question the other day. What makes what you do, Cobus, meaningful to you? And I want to ask the question to you, what makes your work meaningful to you? The way that the next generation is reshaping the work environment is they're not all working towards a title. I was working with a business the other day. The older generation, they just want to be a director. They just want the title behind their name. The younger generation don't. They want meaning. They want to feel like they're making a difference. They want to feel they're making an impact. It's not about slogans and words against the wall. They want to show up at work and feel like it's home. It's a place of fun, but also we're making a difference. And I think that's where we as business owners and leaders need to get to and say, okay, what can we do to give that impact to the next generation so that they want to come work for us? Because that's going to give us our unique selling proposition to the market, that we are different, that people want to come work for us and not our competitors. So guys, it's time for you to find out why is work meaningful for you.